Okay, got another challenge lock here from Texas Gym. It's a Schlage KIK. Works pretty smooth. It is locked. Bidding on the key. Let's see. Use top of the keyway. We'll use light tension. Start out with one of Malithus picks. Okay, little. Okay, big turn off of 1 and 2. And there was 5. There's 4. There's 3. Little turn off of 6. Okay, a little more off of 3. One. 6. Got a faucet going here. A little more off of 6. One. 6. Again. We dropped it. And off of 3, I believe it was. Okay. Let me move this stuff out of the way here. Just take it off. Nice. We do have the key. I'd picked that lock a couple of times off camera, but every time I'd go to get on camera, it always fight me for some reason. I don't know what the deal was with it. Let's see. I've got a new tool that I've been waiting to try out just for this. And it probably won't work. Oh, there it goes. Cool. I like this. Taking these things off a lot easier. Get this spring out. Put it in my vise so I don't lose it. Okay. You know, these KIKs, I think some of them are a lot harder than other, just the plain locks. Some of them. So the key pins work. Alright. One, two, three, 4, 5, and 6. I'm gonna make me a new pin and tray. I done this one just real quick to have something. The grooves really ain't deep enough and wide enough, and okay. Let's see about the core. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and looks like counter milling also. Alright, let's see what we got in the Bible here. Homemade spool, I guess you'd call it. Here's another. Okay. Here is another. Another spool looking. Here's a wiper. Oh, a drunken spool. On pin 5. Or no, sorry, 2. And another homemade. Let's look at the springs here. I've got some locks that the springs were doubled, so I started pulling those out. I guess it would help if I had this better camera view. Short spring. I think there's a spring. There it is. Let's look at the Bible here. They were all threaded. Okay, so here is the pins. We got a drunken spool with a wiper there. Homemade. It looks, most of these, or they all look homemade to me. It's pretty nice pins. This is the second drunken spool that I've ever picked, and that's why pin 2 was giving me such a hard time. Right there was because of that drunken spool. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, be safe, be legal, be good, and try to have a good one, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks.